Greetings, Felix Fortuna, just caveman living in a modern cave. And as cavemen, we notice patterns in the night sky. And tonight we're talking about Orion, one of Ptolemy's original 48. This is the Orion's belt. Here's the feet of Orion, his shoulders, Nemean lion skin, and his club. In this guise, he would be Hercules. These are his hunting dogs, Canis Major, Canis Minor. This is Sirius, the dog star, which is very important to the Egyptians. Here he is with all of his stars. This is his hammer, and this is the great hunter. So this is the bow and the release of the bow. This is the sun's ecliptic through Taurus and right above Orion. And he's also, you know, as I said, the great hunter. The Egyptians call him the priest of Sa. The Babylonians called him the heavenly shepherd, or the true shepherd of Anu. The Sumerians called him the light of heaven, Uru Ana, and that's how he got the name Orion. A lot of other constellations, images. Orion, this is Eridanus, the descending river, which descends to below the horizon into the underworld. Cetus, the whale, which guards the ocean part of the heavens. Of course, Canis Major, Canis Minor, the Monoceros, Gemini, the rabbit, Lepus. More a little closer up of Orion with the club and the Nemean lion skin, and the Eridanus, descending river with Taurus, and the ecliptic. This is the Pleiades, the seven sisters, and that would be pretty important. This is the one with the stars here, Betelgeuse, Rigel, Aldebaran. This is Gemini with Jupiter, but right now at May 2025, Jupiter is right here, just leaving the horns of Taurus and getting into the Gemini. Here's a nice little picture of Sirius, the dog star, Canis Major, and the rabbit. And as the Egyptian priest of Sa, you can see with Orion and Taurus and Gemini, so we know it's the same guy. Rooster and Canis Major would be here. So we know it's the same guy. This would be the rooster, this would be the priest of Sa, but he'd just be taller with these two combined. And of course, Taurus and Gemini, so we know it's all the same. And throughout all history, Orion's belt has been easily identifiable throughout most of the whole year. The true shepherd of Anu, with Taurus, Gemini, it's all the same stuff. And because it's a constellation, an image, it is neither male nor female, which means it could easily be an inanimate object. Let's take this away, and it could easily be the hammer. And if you watch Orion throughout the year, he comes down and smashes into the earth. It's rather incredible, so pay attention, watch, learn. Thank you for paying attention.